Someone who witnesses a traumatic event may have a bystander claim for negligent infliction of emotional distress against the person responsible, but there are limits on who can recover and under what circumstances. New Hampshire's highest court considered whether a woman who witnessed the collision that killed her fiancé could recover from the negligent driver in Graves v. Estabrook. Engaged couple Catrina Graves and Brett Ennis had lived together for 7 years. In September of 2000, Ennis was riding his motorcycle while Graves followed behind him in a car. Another driver, Franklin Estabrook, ran through a stop sign and collided with Ennis. Graves watched as Ennis flipped over the hood of Estabrook's car and landed on the pavement. Graves stopped her car and ran to Ennis, who was bleeding from the mouth and had substantial head trauma. Graves followed the ambulance that took Ennis to the hospital, stayed by his side while he was being treated, and comforted his parents and son. Sadly, Ennis died the next day. Graves sued Estabrook for negligent infliction of emotional distress, claiming that she suffered shock, severe mental pain, and emotional distress as a result of witnessing the collision and death of her fiancé. Estabrook moved to dismiss the case, arguing that Graves couldn't recover for negligent infliction of emotional distress because Graves wasn't related to Ennis by blood or marriage. The trial court granted Estabrook's motion, and Graves appealed to the New Hampshire Supreme Court.